What if I told you your free time could become a money-making machine? You don't need any complicated tech training or advanced degrees. All you need are two things: Google and ChatGPT. So in today's video, I'm sharing a step-by-step method where you can make up to $300 per day and $9,000 per month using Google News and ChatGPT, depending on your consistency, by the way. The best part, it works no matter where you live in the world. For those of my subscribers who live in countries where there are restrictions in place and cannot really make a lot of money online, this one is a great opportunity for you because it works no matter your location. So whether you live in Nigeria, Philippines, Canada, India, this one works for you. You can actually do this one from anywhere in the world. Okay, I want to help you achieve your financial goals in 2025. It might sound funny, but that is true, and that is why I keep researching and bringing you this sort of videos every time. Many of the videos I'm sharing this year focus on helping you bring in money, no matter how little it is, in 2025. So, and why this is important to me is that I believe making money should be easier and more fun. If you have free time and are looking for a hobby that can turn this time into money, you're going to love this video, guys. But I have one favor to ask of you. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, and share the video to someone, as this helps us to keep bringing you more updates. I promise someone is going to be making a ton of money after watching this video. The first step is to go to Google News, which is constantly, updated with everything happening in the world. At the top, you would find various categories such as world, local, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and more. So you're going to choose a category that interests you. Think of this as your content bank. I love business, so I'll start there. Find an article that stands out and looks interesting. For example, I'll choose this one. So that one caught my eyes and I clicked on it. So it says, Cornish couple avoid sky-high train fares by flying via Malaga to, So you select the one that best interests you. So after opening the article, step 2, we're going to select a category and find the perfect article. So we've done that. Let's say it's this one. Once you've clicked on your article, you're going to read through it and select one that you think others would be interested in. If you encounter a paywall like I did, you can sign up for free to read the article or use an email address to continue, just like I did. Once you've selected your article, you will move to the next step. So you're going to select these articles. Let's do it. Select the article. So you're going to select and copy the article now. Step 3 is going to be tools to rewrite articles without plagiarism. You need to avoid plagiarism so that you don't have copyright strikes when you upload this article. So you can use tools like ChatGPT or Spinbot. You can also use Qbot, but I'm going to use ChatGPT for this particular video. So you come to ChatGPT and then you're going to have to paste the article that you have copied from Google News. So both tools are free. If you want to use Spinbot or ChatGPT, they are both free. So you copy the entire article and paste it into ChatGPT, like so. Then ask it to rewrite the article. So Spinbot doesn't require any prompt, but ChatGPT does. So you can ask it to rewrite the article in your own voice. Once it's rewritten, you can make further adjustments to make it sound more unique and engaging. Consider this process as a draft. You will still want to add your own spin to the article to make it more personal. So now ChatGPT has finished rewriting the article for us. You can see the one I pasted here. You can see it. And this is the one ChatGPT has given us. So you're going to also copy this and put in a document, a Word document, so that you can make some adjustments, put your own words, and before you proceed to the next step. So after doing it and making it more personal, we're now going to go into the next section, which is monetizing the articles, using some platforms that will pay you to post these articles. I've done the research for you and broken it down into categories. First, in the business and finance category, you can use platforms like Penny Hoarder and Income Diary to post your articles. Penny Hoarder pays $95 to $100 per article, and topics include saving tips, budgeting, debt, retirement, credit, bank accounts, investing, home buying, taxes. Income Diary pays between $50 to $100 per article on making money online, blogging, and internet marketing. Next, in the lifestyle and travel category, platforms like International Living will pay you $75 to $400 for articles about retiring abroad, budget traveling, or expat lifestyles. For creative and niche platforms, Listverse and Cracked are the best for you. Listverse will pay you $100 for list-based articles on fun topics like history, science, or quirky facts. Cracked will also pay you $100 to $200 for humor and pop culture articles. I've shared a few categories and platforms where you can post your articles for free and potentially earn up to $300 per day or $9,000 per month. Here are some important tips. Don't just copy and paste the articles. Spend an extra 5 minutes to add your own unique twist, perspective, or a funny analogy. This not only makes the content better, but also increases your chances of being accepted by these platforms. To hit the $300 per day target, aim to post 1 to 3 articles per day. Start with one platform and branch out as you get the hang of it. So guys, what would you do with $9,000 per month? Comment below. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Imagine spending just 1 hour a day on these side hustles and making money from content you didn't even write yourself. What would you do with an extra $9,000 or £9,000? As a bonus, I've compiled a list of platforms you can post to. To get this list, simply comment below this video and help me share this with more people. By doing this, you're helping me and I will help you even more. So there you have it, a simple and free way to turn existing news articles and ChatGPT into cash. The key is consistency and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share it with someone who could use a side hustle. Don't forget to subscribe and join this community as we make 2025 the year of no excuses and endless opportunities. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video.